Hello everyone, it's me, Provinciana, and I am Bisaya. So, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, ay huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng videos ko. So, for today's video is all about things that you should never do after uploading a YouTube video. First is watch your video immediately. Avoid watching your video right after it uploads. Second, share it with uninterested viewers. Don't share the link with people who won't watch the entire video. Third, buy fake views or subscribers. Avoid using bots or purchasing views because it confuses the algorithm and can lead to negative performance. Fourth, manually change chapters. Do not add or remove chapters after the video has been published. Fifth, obsess over initial analytics. Don't constantly check the analytics for the first few hours or days. Ito yung mga common na mali natin na mga new, na mga bago pa lang dito kay YouTube. Kaka-upload lang natin ng video, chine-check na agad natin yung analytics natin. So, hindi po pala pwede yun. Sunod, change the thumbnail or title. Once a video is published, avoid changes the thumbnail or title. Next is manually delete comments. Yung may comment tayo na di natin nagustuhan, kaya di-delete natin. Di po pala pwede yun. Instead, gumawa tayo ng keywords sa ating community settings to automatically hide negative comments. So, kung bago ka pa lang dito kay YouTube at nakatulong ang video na to para sa iyo, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe para updated ka sa mga future videos ko. Thank you. Bye.